friend of me is Realme 9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, open settings, scroll down a bit and choose password and security. Then tap on face and enter your current login method. Following that, you need to choose continue and follow all of those instructions. Remember to keep your face in frame. Over here, you can enable or disable Raise to Wake feature by tapping on the switcher. And then, when you're done, click Done. Now you can adjust all of those settings if you wish to by tapping on the switcher next to the chosen ones, and then click Home button. Following that, if I turn off my screen and turn it back on, as you can see, Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my Realme. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!